What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to use Google Pay referral code. First thing you should do is to simply download Google GPay application on your phone. Then once you download it, you should open it and sign up or sign in using your Gmail. And after that, it will show you this page right here, the home page. And what you should do is to simply click on your profile page on the top right corner. Then click on these three vertical dots. And here it will show you three options. Choose referral code. And now you can simply enter your code right here. Then after that, you can simply go back to your home page and add a bank account of yours. Try to fill in all the information of your bank account or any payment method that you want. And after that, you will be able to use this referral code when you buy something using your GPay. And that is it. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.